The e19 transmission. Built for those who demand more from every shift. Experience ultra-fast intelligent shifting. 19 fully power-shiftable gears for seamless performance in field and transport. Skip shift jumps multiple gears for rapid speed changes. While scroll shift keeps clutches partially engaged for even faster, smarter transitions. Reduced heat and less wear, just like premium car transmissions. Cruise at 50 km per hour with just 1620 RPM, saving fuel, reducing noise. Simply choose your speed and operate it like a stepless transmission, no clutch pedal needed. e19 fully manages engine and transmission automatically, going far beyond simple gear automation. Switch seamlessly between drive pedal and Command X operation without any button click. Or shift manually. Manual bump shifting gives you smooth, responsive control without ever touching the clutch. Set speed locks in your pace, perfect for long transport runs or field passes. The e19 transmission solves the common problems of manual gearboxes. Thanks to intelligent sensor technology, gear shifts are triggered proactively as terrain changes, and load interruptions are a thing of the past. The tractor reacts earlier and faster, ensuring smooth operation even in changing conditions. Coast mode adds comfort and efficiency on the road by letting you roll smoothly toward upcoming crossings. When the tractor comes to a stop, the tractor and implement brakes are applied. The zero-speed detent also decelerates the machines to a stop while activating the brakes. In direct comparison to CommandQuad Plus, e19 convinces with 5% less fuel usage, whilst at the same time delivering 5% more hectares per hour. e19 delivers it all: efficiency, intelligence, ease, and comfort. The 6M series. Powerful, fast, intuitive.